Hi guys, we're back in the app for the V-COPTER Falcon, and a couple of things that were concerning was the Find My Drone feature that's on most drones these days, and flight logs. Flight logs is very important. Anyways, we had a chance to go back through the app, and we just want to show you how you're going to find those features in this app. So you're going to hit the home point up in the top left hand corner, and that's going to take you to the home screen. Now in the home screen at the bottom you have three little icons. The first one here is camera, and the middle one here is album, and then the last one says me. And in the me, you're gonna see the Find My Drone, which is right here. Okay, so that's where you're gonna find that. It has another feature for Google Maps. All right. So there, it's gonna bring up the Google Maps, and it's gonna show you where that the drone possibly went down. So let's go back out of here. Okay, now, and your flight records. Your flight records will be in here. And here's a list of all your flight records. Now, the one thing that I'm hoping that the flight records are going to show is show your actual flight details. So I'm just going to click on one at random. The 1422, which is the fourth one down. Click the details. Okay, so in here it gives us the coordinates. Now normally with DJI it will actually show you the flight path that the drone took, but I'm not seeing that in this. I'm going to click some buttons here. Click satellite view. Okay, I'm going to click play and see what she's going to play. Okay, now I do restart the drone. Can't take off.
Should get quite overhead on this balloon factory here. Do you want it or not? You know, I once made love on a pool table in Hot Coffee, Mississippi, with 6 members of the Rock and Roll.
Okay, well that's not showing what I wanted to see.
What does this have to do with?
I wanted to see the actual flight pattern in here. Now it's showing flight records in here, but it's not showing the actual flights. I wonder if you're supposed to start this before you fly. That's another interesting. It cannot be, because it is listing the day that we actually did the flight, but it's not showing the details. Let's go back in here. Yeah, it's not showing the flight. I wonder how we can show the flight.